So ChatGPT has a memory feature that is extremely useful because when you're chatting with ChatGPT, sometimes there's a good chance that it might memorize a few things from that conversation. So this feature is actually enabled automatically, and it will save a few things about you, like maybe your preferences, your favorite food, where you live, your favorite pet, etc. So this information will be saved into the memory, and this is going to be used in the future conversation. So it will know about you better and therefore give you much better information or answer. Now, again, this feature is actually enabled automatically, and AI will decide what are the things that it needs to memorize, but it is also possible to specify the information that ChatGPT needs to memorize about yourself. So in this video, I'll show you how you can actually specify the information that ChatGPT needs to include into its memory, and also one unique trick that you can try to essentially erase or delete memories as you are having conversation with ChatGPT. So you don't have to manually to navigate to the menu and then manage all the memories. You can do it directly when you're chatting with ChatGPT. So let me give you one quick demonstration. Here, I'm going to tell ChatGPT that I do really like emojis and I want it to include emojis in its answer. So this is my request. Hey, I do really like emojis. Can you please include some emojis in your answer? Okay, that's going to be my message. And this is not going to be saved by ChatGPT, but still, one part of the memory feature from ChatGPT is that it will also consider the previous or past conversations as a form of memory, although it is not as permanent as when the information is saved directly into the memories in this menu. So as you can see here, there is no information or there's no memory that I do like emojis. So this is not yet in the memory, but you can specify that you want to save that into the memory. So you can write something like this. Remember that, or memorize that, something like that. Remember that into your memory, and then send a message. Just wait for it. There you go. So updated, save memory. And if you navigate to the memory menu again, you'll see that now it will include emojis into the AI response because that's my preferences. Now, let's go back. And here, you can also delete the memory directly. So I'm going to tell AI again, and you know what? I can do it even on a different conversation thread. So I'm going to start a new chat, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT to delete the memory where I want to have emojis in the answer. So this is my request. Hey, can you please delete the memory where I say I do like emojis and I want to have emojis in your answer? Please delete that memory. Okay, just send a message and you will see it's going to update the memory again. See? Got it. I have deleted the memory about you wanting emojis in my answers. And again, if you navigate to the settings, personalization, and then manage memories, there is no emoji references about emoji anymore. So you can create and you can even delete memories directly when you're chatting with ChatGPT. So that's a cool trick, and I think not many people know how you can actually use it. So this is an amazing use case or amazing trick that you can do with ChatGPT that is related to memory. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.